How to create Shopify Storefront API Access Token, Step-by-Step Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify Storefront API Access Token step by step. If you want to connect custom apps or build your own storefront, this is something you must know. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings at the bottom left corner. From there, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Now, select Develop Apps. If this option is not enabled yet, you'll first need to turn on Custom App Development. Just click on Allow Custom App Development and confirm. Once that's enabled, click on Create an App. Give your app a name. Choose something simple and relevant so you can easily recognize it later. After creating the app, you'll be taken to its dashboard. Now, go to the API Credentials tab. Here, look for the Storefront API section and click on Configure Storefront API Scopes. This is where you choose what your app can access. For example, you can enable permissions like reading product listings, managing checkouts, and accessing collections. Select the scopes based on your needs, then click on Save. Next, click on Install App. Confirm the installation when prompted. Once the app is installed, scroll down to the Storefront API Access Token section. Click on Reveal Token once and copy your token immediately. Important, this token will only be shown once, so make sure to store it in a safe place. And that's it. You've successfully created your Shopify Storefront API Access Token, and now you can use it to connect custom apps or build advanced storefront experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Tractors emoji.